How to turn off voicemail on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can turn off the voicemail on Android device. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So if you want to turn off the voicemail on Android, go ahead and open up your device first and head over to the phone. After that, on the top right corner, you can find a three dot. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, go to settings. After opening up settings, look for voicemail from this settings. So look for this right here, and here you'll be finding your SIMs. So if you have set any kind of voicemail number here, you can go ahead and tap on it and cancel out the previous number and just disable it, and that will just turn off the voicemail on your device. So that is it. This is the method you can apply up in order to turn off your voicemail on your Android device easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.